Struggling to find the AI chat on Whop? Learn exactly where it is and how to use it in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the 4 simple steps: logging in, finding the icon, typing your question, and sending it. First, log into your Whop account to get started. Then, click the sparkle icon in the top left corner to open the AI chat. Now, type your question or prompt in the chat box. Once you're ready, press Enter or click Send to receive a response. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.